As you all know, there are several recent actions taken by Governor Lee and by the health officer talking about masks. Governor Lee essentially declared that the statewide public health emergency was lifted, and in our health directive that will come into effect this Saturday the 15th, the mask mandate will be lifted. And so, effective that date on Saturday the 15th, the city of Memphis will not be enforcing its mask ordinance that was passed in conjunction with the health order some number of months ago. But importantly, it's not just those two factors. It's really about the fact that 35% of people have received a vaccine and an equal number have some level of immunity through disease. So we're really at the point where we only have about 30% of the community that is still very susceptible to the disease. And that's a real reason why we're able to lift many of these restrictions. So, but with that lifting of the enforcement of the ordinance, the city of Memphis will continue in our public facilities to follow the CDC guidelines that recommends that people, when they're indoors, continue to wear masks, especially when they're around people who have not been vaccinated. And so, just like private businesses will still be able to require masks at indoor venues, should they choose to do so, our public facilities will still require masks at indoor settings. So, to give some examples, masks will be recommended at our outdoor venues like our parks and our zoo and at the Botanic Garden. But at the indoor portion of those venues, in City of Memphis facilities specifically, masks will be required. Again, private businesses, churches, other organizations can require their patrons to wear masks if they believe it is prudent for them to do so.